Hi, my name is Osaro Destiny, CEO of Ville Security Systems, and today I want to show you how to use and install the Ville Smart Solar Camera. So first of all, let's see what is inside the package. It comes with a manual. The manual has English at the front, although the manual is very self-explanatory, but I'll still need to show you. Then this is the solar panel. You keep it. This is the camera, very high duty and HD camera. This is the stand. This is the stand for the solar panel. This is a wire for universal charge in case you need to charge, and the installation kits. Why this is the batteries. These are the batteries for the cameras. So now nothing is left inside. Now rule number one, when you want to install this device, you need to install a memory card for it. Our own doesn't come with a memory card, so you need to buy your own memory card. And the memory card we recommend is either 32 gig or 64 gig. Please don't use more than that. Don't use more than 32 or 64 gig. Please and please. So after that has been done, after you've installed your memory card, let me show you. This is where the memory card port is. Insert your memory card here. Then, after you've inserted your memory card, you simply open the back of this place. First of all, you will need to charge the batteries. You charge the batteries full. After it has full, immediately you put the battery. After inserting the memory card, it will come on and show you a blue light here. So all you need to do now, open this nylon and remove this reset kits. This pin here, this is the pin. Just look at where this reset is, then press it down for 4 minutes, for less than 30 seconds. Then
system reset.
Now you've heard the system reset. So all you need to now do is go to your app store and you download the app. It is called iCam, but you need to add plus sign to it. You need to add plus sign to it. So you search for iCam Plus. After you search for iCam Plus, you open the app. You need to register. So you register with all your details, your email and the rest. Then after you've done that, you come to add device. You come to add device on your phone. Open set up Wi-Fi device. After you've opened Wi-Fi device, you click on yes. So you put the camera name and address. Then you wait for your Wi-Fi details to come on. After your Wi-Fi has come on and you're connected to it, it's going to be prompting you what to do though. But you just enter your Wi-Fi. It's going to automatically pick your Wi-Fi. If you use an Android, you have to give it permission. You have to give it permission. So you have to put on your location. Do you understand? Then you press your QR code function. For an iPhone, it's easier to use your QR code function. But if you use an Android, you use the sonic wave configuration. All you just need to do is play it close to the camera. It tells you carrying information received. It will show you camera successfully installed. Once you OK it, it is automatically added to other cameras on my phone. So right now, you see how clear it's capturing everybody around me. You can simply come here. So from these settings, you can decide what you want to do here. You can navigate and the rest. One thing you could also do is firmware update. You update the firmware of the device. So we are fully accessing the camera right now. If you have any issues, don't forget to contact my team and we'll be available to assist you. Thank you very much.